Basic algebra formula. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You have to learn it by heart. A means first term, b means second term, and when we open it, it becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. Alright, now they have given us question, evaluate by using this formula 107 whole square. What it means? Solution, it means 100 plus 7. Okay, we take that number who could be easily solved. So I can say that 107 means 100 plus 7 whole square. Now by using this formula, we have opened it according to that. First term 100, a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is first term here? 100 whole square plus b whole square. Now by according to this formula, 2ab 207. I think you understand that. Now solve it. 100 square means 100 multiplied by 100. You got 1 and 4 zeros plus 7 square 49. Now multiply 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 1400. Now add it. Answer is 1149. I hope it's clear. Number 2. Evaluate by using a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Previous one it was written a plus b. Now in this we use a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The formula is same, just difference of negative and positive sign here. You got it? Now you also have to learn it by heart. A minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So they have given us a question 87 by raised to power 2. 87 whole square is the question. We have to solve it. You can say that 90 minus 3. You can say 90 minus 3 whole square. What it means? 87. 87. Right? Now it becomes a minus b. Now solve it according to this formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a here? First term 90 whole square. What is b here? 3 whole square. And what the formula is 2ab. 2a means 90, b means 3. You got it? Now solve it. 90 square means 90 multiplied by 90, 8100. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. Now multiply it. 3 2s are 6, 6 times are 54, 540. Now solve it. 8100 minus 540. What is the answer? 7560. I have to do it. You can do by yourself. Plus 9. Answer is 7569. Evaluate 107 into 93. Now they have given us new formula. A square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. This is not a minus b. In this we use a minus b whole square. Now here it is a square minus b square. It will be open like a plus b into a minus b. Well, no matter what the order is, you can say a minus b first or a plus b after that. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now 107 to 93. We solve it. 100 plus 7. 100 minus 7. Right? 107 means 100 plus 7. 93 means 100 minus 7. Okay. Now you can say this form, it become a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. Now we will solve it according to this. A square minus b square. Okay. What is a here? 100, 100 whole square minus b 7 whole square. Okay, alright. Now solve it. 100 square means 100 multiplied by 100. You got 1 and 4 zeros. Minus 7 square 49. Now so minus it. 9951 answer. I hope it's clear. 197 multiplied by 203. As you can see, we can say that 200 minus 3 into 200 plus 3. You got it? Now we have formula here. A square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b, right? You can say that we have now this form become this one, and we will convert this into this left hand side. So it become a square minus b square means 200 square minus 3 square. 200 square means 200 multiplied 200 multiplied by 200. Answer is 40,000 minus 9. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. 200 multiplied 200, 40,000. So minus it 9, you got answer is 39991. You solve it by your own self. Okay. Now next. 999 into 101. 1001. You can say that solution 1000 minus 1. Okay. 1000 plus 1. Always remember that this formula will applicable only if they have same values, negative or positive. Okay. So 1000 minus 1, 999, and 1000 plus 1, 1001. Okay. So they have now it become this form, left hand side, right hand side. Now we will convert it into left hand side, a square minus b square. It become 1000 raised to power 1000 square minus 1 square, a square minus b square. Okay. Now 1000 multiplied by 1000, answer is 1 and 6, 1 6 zeros. You solve it by your own self. Minus 1 square means 1. So answer is 9999999. You can easily solve by your own self. Okay. Now next one. Number 3. 0.96 multiplied by 1.04. In that case, you can say that 1 minus 0.04 and 1 plus 0.04. Okay. The question lies, answer lies within the question. 1.04 means 0.04 add. Now similarly, you subtract minus 0.4 from this side. Okay, you got it? 1 minus 0.04 into 1 plus 0.04. Now according to formula, a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. So solve it. 1 square minus 0.04 whole square. So answer is 0.0016. What it means? Multiply 0.04 multiplied by 0.04. Answer is 0.0016, and minus it, you will get the answer. Like 1 minus means 1.4 zeros. After decimal we have 4 digits. We will minus it like that. Just carry on. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9. So answer is 0.9984. Answer. I hope it's clear. For details, please watch my channel on YouTube, Berry Maths with Kanwal. Thank you.